Yesterday began the hearing of Lorenzo Hurd versus the Dougherty County Board of Elections. Fox 31's Colby Gallagher connects you to the latest developments in this case.
To qualify as an independent in an election, there are certain requirements a candidate must meet. After Lorenzo Hurd was denied candidacy by the Dougherty County Board of Elections office, he filed a lawsuit that began yesterday. Today, that case continued.
We spent all day yesterday listening to the plaintiff's case, and finally we had an opportunity to present our evidence, and quite frankly, I think it was compelling.
Collier says the testimony of Clinton Johnson, the man who turned in Hurd's notice of candidacy, proved the form did not have an original signature and notarized stamp, the requirements needed to file the paper and become a candidate.
He acknowledged that the notice of candidacy form was scanned and emailed to him, and that he subsequently took it to a notary. So that does in no way comport to the requirements of an affidavit.
Hurd acknowledged Johnson had the paper notarized, but says it was under his direction and the election office didn't have the authority to stop his qualification process.
They stopped the man, they stopped someone who I had given authority to go in and give my affidavit.
Hurd's team says they believe today's testimonies uncovered flaws in the election office that prove he should have been qualified.
The employees did not take an oath to be a register, and basically they should not have been handling those documents. So we take the position that anything they did basically should have no effect whatsoever.
Until a decision is made, Hurd's name will show up on the ballots as a write-in only, unless the court rules in his favor. Both sides have until October 19th to turn in written closing arguments and proposed orders for the judge to consider. And from there, he'll decide whether or not Hurd's on the November 6th ballot. Colby Gallagher, Fox 31 News.